So this is Anushka here. I am a pursuing engineer. I'm in my final year right now. So I've been teaching for past 6.5 years, and that happens because my mother was a teacher. And during my initial years of teaching, I assisted my mother, and I would teach maths and science to smaller kids. That's how my journey started. Afterwards, I came here in Delhi and I started teaching during my college years. And the subjects came up, my subjects came up, and I started taking up the older students, 9th and 10th students, 11th and 12th students. I started teaching them maths and science, biotechnology. Biotechnology is my subject. I am studying BTech Biotechnology final year from Amity Institute of Biotechnology. So this is my 6th year, and everything is going well. Uh, the things that I would like to say through this video is that my students have always performed great. So I also teach spoken English. Spoken English came about when during my college I started studying basic English and communicative courses. I have studied, this is a part of my qualification, that I studied basic communication and business communication basics and business communication advanced. So from there on, I felt that, and I also scored 100 on 100 in my subject. So from there on, I was suggested by my teachers to take up the classes of my juniors once in a while to interact with them in English to make them better. So that's how it started, and that's how my spoken English journey started. I started teaching a lot of homemakers, a lot of students who are from school, a lot of students who are preparing for IELTS, who are preparing for TOEFL. I started teaching them, and right now, 60% of my students are in English classes from me. They are all working. All my spoken English students are working in different sectors. They are from IT, they are from sales and marketing, they are from management department. So spoken English is one of the main subjects that I teach, apart from maths and science that I've been teaching for past 6.5 years. Spoken English I've been teaching for past 2 years. One benefit that I would like to mention my students face is that the overall methodology of my teaching is very different. It varies from one student to another. I feel that every student is unique. So the curation of my entire course also varies from student to student. Hence, they feel that the customization of my entire course is for them, and they feel very comfortable studying with me. Also, one more thing that I almost all the parents, they tell me that they can totally rely on me, because not only do I give classes, I also help students with their homeworks and assignments from school. Having said that, I think so 6.5 years is my experience. Qualification, I'm a pursuing engineer. I have done certification courses in sales and marketing, and I also take courses for English because of my, as I said, my business communicative courses. Well, lastly, my students, if they enroll with my class, I will ensure a holistic development for my students. And recently, my student got admitted in one of the best boarding schools in Dehradun because of I took 6 months of I did a 6 months of intensive training with English with her, and some of my students have also gotten placed in best schools probably because of me and the hard work from both the sides. So yes, I would like to see my students in my class. Thank you.